Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, let us try to find the area of a triangle using determinants. Let us say we have we have 3 points of a triangle given to us as follows. Let me write those 3 points. The 3 points are 0, 0, and then 2, 0, and 0, 3. And these are the 3 points, these are the 3 vertices of a triangle, and we want to find the area of the triangle using the determinants, So the way we can understand this is as follows. Let me draw a small graph here indicating that we want to put the points in here. Let's say this is 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2. Okay, and that is 3. Let's say 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, and then on the y-axis we don't have any points, so we'll just pick a few points in there. This is -1, this is -2, and this is -1, and this is -2. Okay, now the first point is 0, 0, so therefore that point is right at the origin, and this point here is 0, 0, and the second point is 2, 0. That means it is 2 units on the x-axis and 0 units on the y-axis, means it is right on the x-axis. So therefore that point is 2, 0. And the third point we have is 0, 3. That means the x-ordinate is 0 and the y-ordinate is 3. Therefore that is the point. So this is 0, 3. And this is a triangle. If I were to just connect these points with a straight line, that is how the triangle is going to look like. It is a right triangle. It is a right triangle. And therefore now, using the formula which we know related to finding the area of a triangle, we can write that out first. Let me write that as step number 1. The area of a triangle using determinants is given to us as area is equal to plus or minus 1/2. I'll tell you the significance of plus or minus, and then we'll also tell you the significance of 1/2 in just a minute. And then here we said we're going to pick up the ordinates of vertices of the triangle: x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, and x3, y3, and 1. So this is 3. This is 3 here, and this is what we need to do. And therefore now we will start to plug in the values of x1 and y1 into this particular matrix. Plus or minus 1/2 of, I need to put one more term in here. This is going to be the area. The area is going to be equal to plus or minus 1/2 the determinant of the matrix, like that. So 1/2 of, let me rewrite this one here. This is going to be, area is going to be equal to 1/2 the determinant of the values of x1, y1 are 0, 0, 1. That is for the first point. The second point is 2, 0, 1, because x2, y2, 1, the x ordinate is 2, y ordinate is 0, and then we have a 1 there from the formula. And the third point is 0, 3, 1. So once we plugged in all the elements in this matrix, it is just a matter of simplifying the numbers. So here we have area is equal to plus or minus, right? So therefore area is going to be equal to plus or minus 1/2 the determinant of this matrix, which is going to be 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, and then 0, 3, 1, like that. Therefore now, if we were to pick a row or pick a column and then travel along that, we should be able to find the determinant of that particular matrix. So let us travel along the first row, and then according to our sign convention, the first element would be positive, the second element will be negative, the third element will be positive. So if we were to expand this uh, information, this is how we're going to have it: plus or minus 1/2 of, I'm going to put a bracket like that, and then we have it, 0, and the minor of that elements are going to be 0, 1, 3, 1, and then the second element along the row is negative 0, and then the minor of that elements are 2, 1, 0, 1, this is a 1, and then we have plus 1, the minor of that elements are 2, 0, 0, 3. And therefore now we can simplify this, and as we know that 0 times the minor of that is going to go to 0, 0 times the minor of that will go to 0, and therefore the only information we need to simplify is this information: 1/2 plus 1 times 2 times 3 is 6, and 0 times 0 is 0. So therefore when we simplify this, we're going to have this as plus or minus 1/2 of 1 times 6 is 6. So therefore plus or minus 1/2 times 6 is going to be equal to plus or minus 3. We know that the area of the triangle is always going to be a positive value, therefore we're going to disregard the negative value and then just pick the positive value, and therefore the area is equal to 3 square units, whatever the units are. Okay, so that is our area. This is the way we can use determinants to find the area of the triangle. We also know a simple way to do this. We know from the given triangle, the area, we can find the area as equal to 1/2 times the base times the height, isn't it? 1/2 times the base is 2 units and the height is 3 units. And if we were to come back and simplify this, we have a 2 in the denominator, 2 in the numerator, those cancel out, leaving us with 3. So the area by the conventional methods which we know from geometry are 1/2 times the base times the height, and if we were to use that formula, the area we got was 3, and the area we arrived at using the determinants method is also 3, and therefore we are on the right path. We have used this formula and then figured out the area of the triangle to be equal to 3 using determinants, and also using the conventional geometry method. In my next presentation, we shall look at some more applications using determinants.